Good morning, madam. My name is T. Pawan Kumar. Today I am presenting my CA2 assignment, and my topic is about fixed point versus floating point number representation. And introduction to number representation. Number representation is a crucial for encoding real numbers in a digital systems. And fixed point and floating point are two primary methods used in a computer systems. Understanding their differences help us to optimize the performance and precision in various applications. And that's why we want to know what is fixed point representation. Fixed point representations use uses a fixed number of bits for the integer and fractional parts, and it assigns a specific position for the decimal point which remains constant. This method is simple, efficient, and suitable for applications with known value ranges. Floating point representation. We want to know what about floating point representation. Floating point representation encodes real numbers using Mastricia and an exponent. It allows the decimal point to float depending on the magnitude of the number. This approach provides a wide dynamic range and used in a scientific computations. Key differences between range and precision. Fixed point offers limited range but consistent precision within its scale. Floating point provides a vast range of values with varying precision depending on the magnitude. Choosing between them depends on the application's need for a range versus precision. Advantages of a fixed point. There are many advantages of a fixed point. Fixed point computations are faster due to simpler hardware equipments. It consists less power and memory, making it suitable for embedded systems. It provides predictable precision, which is important in control systems. Now you want to know advantages of floating point. Floating point can represent very large or very small efficient efficiently. It is ideal for scientific calculations requiring high dynamic range, and it provides a modern processor are optimized to perform floating point operations quickly. Limitations of a fixed point. Now we want to know limitations of fixed point. Fixed point has a limited dynamic range, risking overflow and underflow. Scaling and normalization are often required, complicating implementation. It is less flexible for applications with unpredictable data ranges. Floating limitations of floating point. We want to know what are the limitations of floating point. Floating point calculations can introduce rounding errors and precision loss. It requires more complex hardware, which increases cost and power consumption. Special handling is necessary for exceptional cases like infinities and NNS. Now we want to know the practical applications and use cases. Fixed point is commonly used in a digital signal processing and embedded systems. Floating point is essential in scientific computing, graphics, and machine learning. These are the practical applications of use cases. The choice depends on the applications, accuracy, speed, and hardware constraints. Summary and conclusion. Both fixed point and floating point have unique strengths and limitations. Fixed point offers simplicity and efficiency for predictable limited ranges. Floating point provides flexibility and precision for complex large scale computations. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity to me.